In this video, you will see how high-quality bananas are processed from harvest to export.
Make sure to subscribe to the Next Gen Process channel, as it brings you amazing videos like this one.
Keep coming back, easy now. Watch the left side. All right, hold it there.
The firmness and chemical composition are within acceptable parameters. Yes, the quality report is finalized for batch 7B. You can proceed.
The data suggests a strong market for convenient health banana snacks.
We need to differentiate from existing competitors. What do you think of this vibrant yellow against a deep green?
It's eye-catching, but let's consider the brand's premium perception. This matte finish feels good, but it must be robust for shipping.
We can explore stronger materials with similar aesthetics.
This slight green hue means it will ripen perfectly during transport. The stem must be intact, like this, for optimal freshness.
We need packaging that's not only visually appealing, but also environmentally responsible.
This one offers better barrier properties, even with recycled content.
Natural branding eliminates stickers and reinforces our commitment to sustainability.
The precision must be flawless for every single banana.
The logo needs to be more prominent on the front of the bag.
Yes, I've updated the nutritional label layout on the back.
The yellow tone needs to match the ripeness of the fruit exactly.
The window on the box looks correct now. Customers can see the chips clearly.
We need to ensure the green on the label matches the fresh banana leaves.
Did you scan the last pallet?
Yes, the banana chip shipment is cleared for export.
Check the destination code. This banana puree goes to cold storage. Got it. Secure that pallet at Cavendish. Did you verify the box count for the organic bananas?
Yes, manifest is clear. We are good to go.
Mom, look! Bananas!
Oh, those do look good, sweetie.
Only fruit and a hint of cinnamon. Perfect.
Just the right ripeness for my famous banana bread.
Found some great banana goodies today.
Yes, we love them.